Welcome to Grammar Lessons with Garnet Education.
We use demonstrative adjectives to refer to particular people or things. Demonstrative adjectives make one noun sound more important than another. We use this for a single noun that is near you, and we use that for a single noun that is away from you.
This shirt is really nice. I like this. That hat is nice too. Nice.
We use these for plural nouns that are near you, and those for plural nouns that are away from you.
These shoes are cheap. Cool. But those shoes are expensive.
We make negatives by using the verb be plus not.
This pizza is not good. Those apples are not fresh. Yuck!
We make questions like this.
What are these? Huh? What are those? Weird.
Thanks for watching.